Maintaining outdoor furniture, a key to everlasting comfort. Hello, and welcome to today's English language lesson. Today, we'll be focusing on a particularly important topic under gardening and outdoor maintenance, which is maintaining outdoor furniture. This topic may seem quite specific, but it's one that's filled with many valuable everyday English expressions and vocabulary. By the end of this video, you'll be able to talk about this topic comfortably in English. Maintaining outdoor furniture is all about keeping your garden or patio furniture in great condition. This can involve a number of tasks such as cleaning, repairing, protecting, and storing the furniture. By learning how to discuss these tasks, you'll be able to express yourself clearly in English when talking about outdoor furniture maintenance. For example, you might say, "I clean the patio furniture every weekend to remove the dust and dirt. We need to repair the garden bench as it has a broken leg. To protect our outdoor furniture from the rain, we use covers. In the winter, we store our furniture in the garage to keep it from getting damaged by the cold." There are many types of outdoor furniture, each requiring different types of care. Some common examples are tables, chairs, benches, loungers, and umbrellas. You might use these terms in sentences like, "The table needs to be cleaned before we can eat outside. One of the chairs is unstable and needs repairing. The garden bench has become discolored from the sun. We should refinish it. The lounger by the pool needs a new cushion. The garden umbrella needs to be replaced. It was damaged in the storm." When talking about outdoor furniture maintenance, it's important to know the English terms for common tasks. These may include cleaning, painting, repairing, covering, and storing. Here are some example sentences. Every few months, we should paint the wooden furniture to protect it from the elements. The metal chairs need to be cleaned with a special solution to prevent rust. If we don't cover the patio set, it might get damaged in the rain. We repair any broken pieces as soon as possible to prevent further damage. We store the furniture in the shed during the winter months. And that brings us to the end of our lesson on maintaining outdoor furniture. We've learned how to discuss different types of outdoor furniture, the maintenance they require, and the English expressions and vocabulary you can use to talk about these topics. Remember, the key to mastering a language is regular practice, so try to incorporate these new phrases into your daily English conversations. Stay comfortable and keep your English blooming.